Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show a processing of our casa lao bin. Let's go ahead and open a box. For the first step, you require 2 parts E, 4 parts number 2 the feet. Let's assemble. For our next step, we require part E or previous assembly, 1 part A, 2 part D's, and 4 parts number 1. Let's assemble. For the next part, you require part E, 4 parts 1 the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 4 part B, 4 part C. Let's assemble. Part C. Open up, you see this velcros here. Take part B. For the next step, you require part 3, the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the processing of our casa lao bin. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.